Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter from the science subject. Before starting this chapter, I want to ask you some questions. As we all know that there are three states of matter, can you name the three states of water? Yes, ice in the solid state, water in the liquid state, and steam in the gaseous state. Good. In our surrounding, we see many substances. Can you name some? Yes. Air, smoke, coconut, oil, ghee. All the substances occur in different states and their properties are also different according to their state. You can see here, coconut is in the solid state, smoke and air is in the gaseous state, oil is in the liquid state. So, in today's class, we are going to study about substances in our surrounding, their states and their properties. Okay, so we will start with our chapter, that is substance in the surrounding, their states and their properties. So let's perform one activity. For this activity, we will need some solid ice, beakers, burner, tripod stand and one freezer. So first we will the tripod stand and the burner, from where we will heat the ice and we will observe what will happen. Okay, so let's observe the experiment. As you can see, we have filled the ice in the beaker and we have switched on the burner. And what do you observe now? Are you observing what happened now? Yes, the solid ice converted into water. What if we will leave it for some more time? Let's see what is happening. We will wait for it and we will see what is happening. Yes, now you can see what is happening. The water is getting converted into gaseous state. As the water is becoming hotter, warmer, what is happening? The water is converted into its gaseous states. Now we have kept one plate. Due to that plate, the water vapor which is forming is condensing over here and it is falling in the next beaker. So now the water vapor is again getting converted into the gaseous water is converted into liquid water. Yes. What if we keep this liquid water in the freezer and let it cool it down? Let's see what will happen. After keeping the beaker for in the refrigerator, what happened? Now you can see the solid ice again, right? So what is happening? There is a change of state of substances. Now we will move further. Similarly, we will perform one more activity. We will heat. Now you can see the pieces of wax in a bowl. Now we will heat it on heat them on the candle lamp or a spirit lamp. Now you will observe this experiment and now answer me some question based on it. How do the pieces of wax change? Yes, by heating. First, what was the initial state of the wax? Solid. Very good. What did it convert it into? Liquid state. Good. Now we will keep the same bowl in the cold water. What will happen? Again it will convert into solid state. So, what is this called? Yes, this is called the change of state of substance. Now, you can define what is change of state of substance. Yes, when a substance changes from one state to another, the process is called change of state of substance. Here you can see the solid gets converted into liquid, liquids get converted into gas. Gas is again converted into solid or gas is again converted into liquid, right? So this change of state from one state, change of substance from one state to the other, this whole process is called change of state of substance. Okay. Now we will move further. Can anyone tell me which substance do you observe in the picture? Can anyone name it? Yes, the first picture is of spirit lamp. Second picture is of ghee. Third is of naphthalene bowl. And fourth is ammonium chloride cubes. Students, now in the above picture, which one freezes in winter? Yes, ghee and coconut. Yes, ghee and coconut oil also freezes in winter. Have you experienced it? Yes, once in the winter season, I was about to apply the coconut oil, but it was freeze, so I had to warm it before applying. Yes, now my next question is, have you seen any liquid changing into vapor directly? Yes, when we keep the petrol outside, it changes into vapor. Here the liquid is getting directly converted into vapor, that is in the gaseous state. And same goes for water also. When we will keep water for the longer period of time outside, it will change its state from liquid to gaseous state. Now tell me, which solids gas directly changes into gaseous state? Naphthalene balls and ammonium chloride cube. Yes. What do you learn from this? The state of a substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surrounding is found either in the solid state, liquid, or gaseous state. So, today we have studied about state of change of substance, change in the state of substance and the reason for the change in the state of substance.